My name is Asli Nawawi. Today, I will be covering the topic of vehicle systems technology. We will explore all the basic systems of a car.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and a good day. My name is Azli Nawawi. So today we're going to cover a new topic and the name is Vehicle System Technology. So cerita-cerita kan, tunjuk. Okay, this is the car. Today we're going to cover all the main components of the car, the wheel. We cover the seats, okay, the seats, and then the steering wheel, steering system, the engine, the safety system, suspension, and all those things. Kita lah. Kita bagi kuliah, okay. Dan bila korang dah habis,